Most dogs need to learn to use a Kong toy. Follow these steps to ensure your dog knows how to enjoy all the benefits of this versatile toy. It's important to use the right size Kong so that your dog can have the safest, most enjoyable experience. Engage your dog with their new Kong, show it off, and talk about it with enthusiasm. Maybe even play a little hard to get to pique their interest and show them what their new toy can do. Many dogs are motivated by food, and Kong toys are perfect for stuffing with treats or kibble to keep dogs busy. The key is to stuff loosely so that the food will come out easily. To entice your dog, try using a little bit of peanut butter or their favorite treat in the Kong. Over time, your dog will learn how to get treats out of the Kong quickly. To increase the challenge, mix wet and dry ingredients, stuff the Kong, and freeze it. A frozen Kong heightens the experience by creating a long-lasting, mentally stimulating task.
Now you know why dogs need to play. The Kong Company understands the important role safe toys play in raising a happy and well-adjusted dog. And that's why Kong is recommended as an important behavioral tool by canine professionals worldwide.